October 26, 1962. The day the world quietly prepared for its worst ending. In a single night, everything on Earth, your dreams, your home, your children's future, was seconds away from turning into vapor. No warning, no official declaration of war, just two superpowers playing a deadly game of nerves. How close were we to nuclear destruction? Just one human decision away. If you think a $700 billion bank bailout is terrifying, or a $5 trillion stock market crash is unthinkable, imagine something worse. Human civilization as a fragile Jenga tower. Every block, a missile, a submarine, a misunderstanding. And at the very bottom of that tower stood one man no one was watching. Off the coast of Cuba, deep inside the Atlantic Ocean, a Soviet nuclear submarine moved silently through the darkness. Inside were three men who knew they carried the power to end the world. They were cut off from Moscow. No radio, no instructions, only silence. Did they believe World War III had already begun? Maybe. They felt crushing pressure from the ocean below and explosions above. To the US Navy, it was a warning. To the men inside, it sounded like an execution. When the crew believed they were under attack, there was only one protocol left: a last resort weapon, a nuclear torpedo. And this weapon required no approval from Moscow. The captain opened a gold-plated briefcase. Inside were the launch orders. Two officers agreed immediately, but there was one man who didn't. His name was Vasili Arkhipov, a political officer. In a cramped, airless steel tube, with the fate of humanity on the line, two men said yes. One man said no. How did he know it wasn't an attack, only a threat? On what basis did he disobey his country's protocol? Did that hesitation make him less patriotic, or the most responsible human in history? If that argument had lasted just a few minutes longer, New York could have been ash. London, Moscow. That day, systems didn't save us. Rules didn't save us. One man's no did. And the terrifying truth is this: the crisis never ended. It was only postponed.